We proudly introduce this gorgeous and stunning fully loaded absolutely flawless clean Carfax 2012 Range Rover Sport supercharged with the beautiful color combo. Fuji white with almond nutmeg premium leather interior with magnificent repair and maintenance records. Because the exterior and interior were so clean and well kept, the owner spent almost $15,500 for the major repairs and maintenance, which includes replaced supercharger, replaced complete timing chain, replaced complete water pump, new front and rear BREMBO brake rotors, new front and rear brake pads, 4 brand new Pirelli tires. All these repairs are very big deal for Range Rovers over 90,000 miles, so you can have a peace of mind for those costly repairs. That's why this Range Rover is the best choice for someone who wants to drive an exotic sports and luxury SUVs. So, please come by and see this beautiful luxury SUV for yourself. Guarantee you will love it.